guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna clean the fridge and I haven't cleaned it for I don't know how long. Tomorrow I'm going to get groceries. We're gonna go to Walmart at 6 in the morning so that way we can be there at 7 in the morning whenever they open. It's good to actually go in the morning because there's not a lot of people. You can take your time, you can, browse, you can find some clothes, some toys, or some clearance, because Walmart has some clearance and you have to look. They have different kind of things in there. So I get excited whenever I go to Walmart because they have so much things. You can grocery shop, you can find cleaning supplies, you can find clothes, toys, garden stuff, and etc. But today we're gonna clean the fridge because it needs some cleaning. So join me so that way we can clean it together. So keep on watching. Okay, this is how the fridge looks right now. It doesn't look organized because it's not a lot of food, and I'm going to organize and wash dishes because there's some things that I need to throw away and see expiration dates, because I usually look expiration dates. Like I see we need eggs, we have orange juice, we for sure need milk because the kids eat cereal in the morning, so it's good to get milk because sometimes later at night they want chocolate milk. And up here I need to organize and then see what I need to make a list. Join me so that way we can clean it together and also make a list for tomorrow, because I'm going to Walmart grocery shopping early in the morning and then see what we find or what I'm going to cook, because sometimes you don't know what to cook. So join me.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Okay, I'm going to make my shopping list for tomorrow, and I'm going to put it on the screen. I need lettuce, add item, what else? Waters, because I ran out. What else do we have?
Oh, proper food. Then needs the breakfast.
Oh, breakfast?
Yeah.
So you want waffles?
Yeah.
Waffles. Check. Add item. We need bread. We also need milk, of course. Eggs. What else do we need? Oh, food. What you want to eat for the week?
Well, but starts food, the dog food.
Oh, dog food, dog treats.
Yeah.
Meatloaf. Oh, we can make meatloaf
What cookie?
with mashed potatoes. I already have mashed potatoes, the pack, the family size pack. So I already have the mashed potatoes. For now, I'm just gonna get 21 items since that's what I got right now. But when I go to the store, obviously I'm gonna get more stuff, since when you see it, you'll get it. And then meat, it all depends what to cook for the week. So for now, we just play it by ear and see what we get.